Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss another biochemical test used in identification of bacteria, that is oxidase test. In the previous video I have discussed about catalase test and coagulase test. In this video we will learn principle of oxidase test, reagents used, procedure, interpretation of results, clinical importance and common precautions in the laboratory. Let us understand the oxidase test in a very simple way. What is the importance of oxidase test? Differentiation of gram-negative bacilli based on presence of cytochrome system, helpful for preliminary identification of bacteria. It gives quick result within 10 seconds. Helps in identification of non-fermenters. This has major clinical importance in ICU patient, burn patient and ventilator associated patients. Important in detection of water and foodborne pathogens in diarrhea outbreak. Useful in identification of Vibrio cholerae and Aeromonas hydrophila. What is the applied aspect of oxidase test? If a gram-negative bacilli from blood culture is isolated and it is oxidase positive, you should suspect Pseudomonas aeruginosa. If oxidase negative, then you should suspect Enterobacteriaceae family. Thus guides early identification and treatment. Use of oxidase test in clinical microbiology laboratory. From any type of bacterial culture, first perform gram stain. If gram-negative Coccobacilli and gram-negative bacilli are found in the gram staining findings, then do catalase and oxidase test. In case of gram-positive bacilli, no need to do oxidase test. What is the principle of oxidase test? Determine the presence of cytochrome oxidase enzyme which participate in electron transport chain and in the nitrate metabolic pathway. What is the phenomena behind oxidase test? Cytochrome system is mainly present in aerobic bacteria, microaerophilic bacteria and facultative anaerobic bacteria, but absent in obligate anaerobic bacteria. Cytochrome system involves in electron transport chain, which is mainly essential for respiration of the bacteria. At the end of aerobic respiration, electron transport chain transfers electron, that is hydrogen to oxygen, to form water molecule. In oxidase test, one reagent is used, that is tetramethyl paraphenylene diamine dihydrochloride. This reagent acts as artificial electron acceptors. In reduced test, the dye is colorless. In presence of cytochrome oxidase and atmospheric oxygen, the dye is oxidized, forming indophenol blue. Let us know about the procedure of oxidase test. First, take a clean, grease-free glass slide. Then, place the oxidase disc on the glass slide. The oxidase disc is commercially available in the market. This disc is mainly made up of filter paper impregnated with the reagent, that is tetramethyl paraphenylene diamine dihydrochloride. Then smear the bacteria colony from the nutrient agar plate on the surface of the oxidase disc and observe for the reaction within 10 seconds. Interpretation: development of deep purple color or deep blue color within 10 seconds, then the oxidase test is positive. If no color change, then it indicates oxidase test negative. Important points about oxidase test. Do not use nichrome wear loop because surface oxidation products formed during sterilization of loop ultimately gives false positive result. So always use wooden stick, plastic loop or platinum loop. Next, do not attempt to perform oxidase test on any colonies growing on glucose containing media. Glucose fermentation inhibits oxidase activity, which may result in false negative result. Examples of oxidase positive organisms. First, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Vibrio cholerae, Aeromonas hydrophila, Pastorella, and Neisseria. Examples of oxidase negative organisms: first, Escherichia coli, Klebsiella pneumoniae, Staphylococcus, Enterobacter. Another type of oxidase test is the modified oxidase test. This test separates Staphylococcus, which is modified oxidase test negative, from Micrococcus, which is positive. Here, filter paper disc with oxidase reagent is mainly impregnated with the DMSO, that is dimethyl sulfoxide. So this is the another reagent, that is DMSO, is mainly used in case of modified oxidase test. DMSO renders the cell permeable to reagents. What to do situation in clinical microbiology laboratory. Suppose you get a gram-negative bacilli in culture and on McConkey agar it is a non-lactose fermenter colony. What should be your next step? If you get gram-negative bacilli and that is non-lactose fermenter colony, then always think about oxidase test. So students, we discussed the oxidase test. I hope this session helped you understand the topic in a very simple and easy way. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more update. See you in the next session. Bye bye.